The Bible isn't one book, it's a library. 66 books written over 1,500 years, across 3 continents in 3 languages by over 40 different authors. Kings, shepherds, prophets, fishermen, tax collectors, physicians. Men from every walk of life, writing in caves, palaces, deserts, prisons. And yet from Genesis to Revelation, there is one unified story. God redeeming mankind through his Son, Jesus Christ. That unity itself is a miracle. You can't get 40 people in a room to agree on dinner, but here are 40 authors across centuries speaking with one voice. But let's dig deeper. People say, the Bible has been changed too much to trust. That's not true. Compared to any other ancient document, the Bible is in a class of its own. Take the New Testament, for example. We have over 5,800 Greek manuscripts, over 20,000 in other languages, some dating within 100 years of the originals. Compare that to Plato's works. We have 7 manuscripts, the earliest 1,000 years after he wrote. Or Caesar's Gallic Wars, 10 manuscripts, a gap of 1,000 years. No historian doubts Plato existed or Caesar wrote. Yet the Bible has tens of thousands of manuscripts with a gap of less than a century. The accuracy is staggering. Textual critics, both Christian and secular, agree. The New Testament we hold in our hands today is 99.5% identical to the original writings. And that tiny fraction of differences, spelling errors, word order, nothing that affects doctrine.